Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I made these delicious salmon croquettes or salmon patties, whatever you like to call them. So in this bowl I just have some chopped up onion, garlic, red bell pepper, and green bell peppers. So I'm going to be starting off with this can of pink salmon, and I'm just going to remove the skin and bones. Some people leave them in, but I am not doing it, y'all. It literally is a whole rack of ribs up in this salmon. But anyways, I also did end up using another smaller can as well, but that one was skinless and boneless. I didn't know that, so next time I probably would just get that brand so I don't have to do all of this. So this is the other brand of salmon that I got. I did not even read it at all, so you see how I'm just like trying to look and see if there's like skin or bones in it, and then I ended up realizing it wasn't, so I just went ahead and dumped the whole can in there. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to add all my peppers and onion and garlic. There's no measurements to this, like just use however much you like. Yeah. It really all just depends upon you, like what you like the most of, so yeah. I think I'm open on what you say. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to start to add my seasonings. This, again, I'm not using any measurements. Just do it to your taste. If you like more of this, you can taste this before you get to the step where you add the egg in. So after you put all your seasonings in, you can taste it, see how you like it, and adjust it to your taste. I think I'm open on what you say. Okay, y'all, so I just added 1 egg into my mixture. This just helps bind everything together. I probably could have used 2 eggs, but I just used 1 and they still turned out fine, as y'all saw at the beginning. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so before I got started on my breadcrumb mixture, I just went ahead and put the oil in the pan and let it get hot. Okay, y'all, so I used those Italian herb breadcrumbs that y'all see in the background. This part I really didn't have to do because I made them slightly a bit too salty, but I added the Old Bay seasoning in and some onion powder. You could totally skip this step. You don't have to do this part, but I was just trying something that I saw somebody else do. Yeah. Alright, so you can make your patties however big you want to. I just kind of do them to like the size of the palm of my hand, and then just throw it in that breadcrumb mixture. It was turned up a little bit. That's why I was like, I probably could have added another egg, but it still worked out fine, like I said. So yeah, just get your breadcrumbs in there, and once your oil is hot, just place them in the pan. So I let these cook for like 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Just depending on how high your fire is, you just flip them once they looking a little crispy on the bottom. That's how I like mine's looking golden brown. So yeah. So y'all, this is the final results of my salmon patties. They turned out, like I said, so good. Slightly salty, but still good. If y'all try this out, let me know down below in the comments, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more recipes.